Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech, but otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Today we're checking out Popular Mechanics, March 1985. I love these suits that these guys are in. I would totally wear one of those if they would have let me over in heat treat, but they said, no, get back to work in the tech room. Fine. But legitimately, if I had my choice, I think I'd be rather be out mudding in one of these. The only thing better than a truck is a woman. The only thing better than a woman is a woman with a dog. Wait, I think I might have got that wrong. The Ford Bronco for me, and the Ford Bronco 2 for me. Now, this is definitely a reality that didn't exist unless you were really freaking rich. You generally wouldn't have two big trucks in a family like that. Oh, wait, this is America. Forget everything I just said. And you're done playing with your balls with the boys in the gym, you gotta get out there, you gotta have the speed stick. Legitimately, I wonder how much product per stick you got. Like, seems like these days you get like that much product, and there's like that much left in the bar. Why don't you just give me a stubby? With Burns-O-Matic, you won't know what to do next. I think he might have been huffing too much of that butane. Winston's America's best. I wonder if Winston's still exists. It's not gay unless your balls touch, boys. Duracell, back in the day, it made a lot of advertisements. With units like this, I would walk back and forth in many different ways, but the figures, the units, you never see anything like them on the shelves, and I wonder about the individual that put them together, or the studio that put them together. I want to find out more. A quick message from Honda. Honda's usually what my parents like to use. They like to get the American cars, and then when they need to replace the engines, they get them from Japan. Geez, that's interesting. A loudspeaker. And the cavernous. Very nice. And here we see a little girl enjoying a first touchscreen unit. Liquid crystal display. That's interesting. A third hand at the pump. Huh. I have to wonder if leaded gasoline was a thing when this was produced. Once again, Black & Decker showing off that they like to use their tools on the Statue of Liberty, but legitimately, were there any industrial Black & Decker? I thought Black & Decker was a home thing. Oh, I love it. 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 How? How did they do that? Okay, I'm just going to hang on this for a quick sec. I always found that things like these have the most interesting information for enthusiasts. Flash top piston special with rings, chrome differential covers, valve covers. I have a feeling these prices would not hold up these days. Cam Dynamics Engineering cams. Energizer. Marlboro, because real men smoke. Remember when all of those cigarette CEOs got together in front of Congress and promised that cigarettes were not contagious? Geez, that's the life. That's the world we're living in. Finish off your bros in style. Without the mess. We do more than just cut your lawn. I gotta say, gotta stop on all of the kind of retrofuturism art. Oh, check it out. They're getting into the internal cameras. Mini cameras gives doctors insight. Man. Power of technology. New hovercraft replacing airliners. Did that happen anywhere? I know the Russian military loves to use hovercrafts, but... And here we have an image of an artificial heart. New technology. Tank of the future. Shoots fast, sees with TV eyes. I'm not sure if I would trust TV eyes. I've heard of too many people that got wasted because they were relying on technology that had a lag. Like a dude that tried to step out from in front of a train at the last moment, not realizing the lag time between the camera and the shutter. Wireless home temperature controls that can manually set the temperature. That's pretty tight. Holy frick, that just looks nice. I want one of those. I really want one of those. The Daily Deal. Mr. Lennox realized too slowly what carbon monoxide poisoning about. And you shouldn't be chilling out in situations like that. Get out of the basement. And here we have the sexy fireman. That guy looks like he has a camera on his face. Going to work with the sexy fires. Really, I really want to wear that suit. Great moves of history. Here we see how jobbers get obelisks all hard and stuff. Oh, I remember hearing about this. Actually, I saw a video of several pictures being brought together to show how they moved it. It's like, whoosh, and it comes this way. There are several houses within my community of Wellington, Ontario, that have been moved by horses, ultimately with logs. Holy frick, check this out. A Dutch vessel took a power plant from Japan to Brazil. Wow. Low key, that NASA crawler is probably the most badass thing in the universe. I mean, I have so much respect for that thing. Holy frick, that's a good idea. But no man would ever do anything like that. They'd be like, no, let's just get a dolly. Hey, baby, what do you think of my tennis racket? Oh, I love your tennis racket. All right, and then the jar breaks, and you got to get that on camera. Oh, hello. Oh, I want one of those. Yes, 1957, 58. It was a real time when they just gave you a round television thing. Everyone preferred ideas more like this, but yeah, think different. All right, folks, that's it for me. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. It's always appreciated. But far more importantly, folks, take care of each other, will you please?